Step number 1. Download the app from the given link in the description. Step number 2. Just upload the screenshot. Step number 3. Take your income of rupees 5,000 to 10,000 per day. It is a passive amount, so that you will be very happy. It sounds beautiful. So to make it beautiful, you need to do some steps. The step number 1 is to download the app from the description. What will happen if you download it from the description? You will get 90 rupees instantly, or you can get some more, and you can withdraw 90 rupees also. Sounds beautiful. Yes. So first of all, you need to download the link from the description, download the file from the description, then open the app. Then I am going to show you other steps. So first of all, do it, then I am showing you the next steps. So let's move to the step number 1. First of all, you need to go to the link that is given in the description. I'm copying it and I will paste it in the description. So first of all, you can see here invitation ID. So invitation ID you have to fill, that is given in the link, or when you will click there, it will automatically catch it, and then you need to type your username, your phone number, the code which is given on the other side of the screen. Send SMS code. Firstly click on send SMS code, then you will get an code, then paste it here and enter any password that you want and then register, and after that click on download now. Then it will open up another screen. So here first of all you can see there MG Task is the latest part-time platform. So you can download for Android or iOS version, which version you are having. Now move to another one. So the next step is to open the app. When you will open the app, you can see here I have earned rupees 105, in which 15 rupees are of yesterday earning. So first of all, you need to go on YouTube, task, then click here on receive. Whenever you will click on any receive, then you will get rupees, but a simple step you need to do. First of all, task received successfully, then go on YouTube, then in progress section you need to click on open video link, and you can see here we will get rupees 5 for each. Then whenever you click on link, just like it and take a screenshot like this. Take a screenshot easily. So whenever you will take a screenshot, just upload it there, and then you will get rupees 5 in next 5 minutes only. Okay, then click here on upload screenshot, and here you need to upload your screenshot. I'm not showing it. Image upload successfully. Then just click on submit task. Whenever you will click on submit task, you will definitely get rupees 5 in next 5 minutes. Task submit successfully. Then if you want to do it for Facebook, you can also do it for Facebook. Just go on Facebook progress. It is the progress section, so we need to go on task, that is underside. Then go on Facebook, then just do the same step. Now you will get your rupees. First of all, you need to check in the earning record, that is there you can see. So it will not show the rupees now, because we have done it now. So please wait for 5 minutes only. These rupees I get from doing task yesterday, and INR 90 rupees I've got from my another phone, from which I am giving you the link. Okay, then just you can see it. It is so easy to earn rupees from here. Now you need to go on withdraw section if you want to withdraw your rupees, or INR section. Minimum amount which can be withdrawn is 118 rupees. So if you will do it for 2 days, you will definitely can withdraw amount. Now you can see here, you need to withdraw it at a specific time, that is 9:30 to 19:30. So it is very easy, you can do it. Okay, and then I'm talking about payment password. You need to give an payment password, okay, so that you can take rupees. So our rupees are not transferred till now. So what you have to do do next, go to home, check. Okay, I got 5 rupees, you can see here. So I'm clicking on that, and you can see that I have got 5 rupees plus in my account. So it is definitely that it is defined that I got 5 rupees. You can see here I got it on today. You maybe are saying this later, but I got this. Okay, so that is all. Thank you for watching this video.